Guys, here we go. We're going to solve a similar problem so that you could try the other one on your own. Just to let you know, this is one method of solving it. There are many different methods to solve this. If you get to the same results, that's great. This is just one method that I like trying. Okay, so we have 6 minus 2 sevenths times x plus 5 equals 2x. The first thing I'm going to do is distribute, because I see 2 over 7 times x plus 5, so I'm going to do 2 sevenths times x. Now remember, when you multiply, you treat the x and you turn it into a fraction, so it's x over 1. So this becomes 2 times x, which is 2x, over 7 times 1, which is 7. Now we're going to distribute and continue that. That's going to be 2 sevenths times 5 over 1. And this was a negative 2x, so that's negative 2x over 7. And then you have negative 2 times 5, which is negative 10. And then 7 times 1, so it's over 7, equals 2x, and then bring down that 6 from earlier. Okay, now what do I do? Well, I want to get rid of my fractions, because I don't like dealing with them. And something I notice is that they both have the same denominator. So something I can do is multiply this whole side by 7, so I can try to eliminate that denominator. But what I do to one side, I must do to the other. So we're going to multiply both sides. We're going to do 7 times 6, and that gives us 42. And we're doing this because everything has to multiply. So 7 times 6 is 42. We can do 7 times negative 2x over 7. But what happens is that because we have 2 sevens, this 7 will cancel out, and I'm just left with negative 2x. Now I'm going to do 7 times negative 10 over 7, and again, we have that denominator of 7, so because we're multiplying, it'll cancel out the denominator. So we bring down the minus 10, and we're equal to 7 times 2x on the right side, which will give us 14x. Alright, now let's get to solving. So something that I see here is that we actually have like terms. I have 42 and negative 10, so I can combine these, and these here will become 42 minus 10 is 32. I bring down the minus 2x equals 14x. Okay, now I want to get all my x's together. I don't have them all together. So if I look, I have two sides of the equal sign. Let me do it like this. I have two sides of the equal sign, and I want to bring this x over here, this negative 2x, I want to bring it to this side, but I have to do that using inverse operations. So to get those x's together, we have to do the opposite. I have a negative 2x, so we're going to add 2x to this side, and what you do to one side, you must do to the other. Add 2x to this side. So now we're going to get negative 2x plus 2x will cancel out. That will give us 0. We'll bring down the 32 on the left is equal to, and then 14x plus 2x gives us 16x. These are like terms. We can combine them. Now I have all of my x's together on one side. I have all my constants together on the other side. And what we can do is, since we have 16 times x, we're just going to divide 16 to both sides to get that x by itself. We did the opposite. And now we have x is equal to 32 divided by 16 is 2. So 2 is equal to x, or we can say x is equal to 2. And if you want, you can plug it back into the original equation to see if it's true. And this is our solution right here. Again, this is just one method you could use. There are many different methods you could have gone about this. If you have any questions, please let me know.